There are more cries for water this evening, this time from St. Thomas. Residents of Newlands and adjoining districts in the parish say they have not been receiving the commodity, and this is having a detrimental impact on their lives. We have more in this report from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
These tanks, hoses and drums have one thing in common. They have not been touched by water for a long time. Residents of Newlands and surrounding areas in St. Thomas explained they have not received running water for years, and they are tired of that reality.
Nearly 15 years we don't have no water. And we're tired right now. We're tired right now. We need water, water for life, and we need water. And we're asking the people we're responsible to make we get some water, because we have no water.
And I can't manage the water system no more. Sometimes when I wash the rice water, I have to use and wipe out the house. You understand me? I said bad. We want some water now. Full time.
The residents showed our news team piles of unwashed laundry that included uniforms. They say at this rate, pretty soon students will have to stay home. Businesses are also impacted. One man said his farm has been devastated.
I can't get to carry out my business function properly. I can't take care of my animals properly because of lack of water. I have to close down.
According to the residents, they have been buying water from persons who truck it to the area, or they themselves have to carry containers by hand or on their heads from miles away. For them, that is no way to be living in modern times.
The last 2 years ago, I spoke with you, Mr. Prime Minister, at Marant Bay at the Goodyear Oval, and you promised faithfully to take up this responsibility to see that we have water in the community of Newland and the housing scheme and surrounding area. I remember personally you tell me that the MP must speak to you in regard to it because you are going to do something about it. And up till now, nothing has been done. And I am still pleading. I can't manage it, Mr. Prime Minister.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.